In this video, you'll learn how to use Microsoft Bookings for appointment scheduling. We'll go from creating a meeting type to entering the right details and finally to sharing your booking page so people can easily set up time with you. By the end, you'll have a simple, professional way to manage appointments without all the back and forth emails. Let's start with the big picture. Microsoft Bookings is an online scheduling tool that connects to your Microsoft 365 calendar. It allows clients, co-workers, or students to pick from available time slots that you define. That means you're always in control of when people can book you, and appointments automatically appear on your calendar. First, open Microsoft Bookings. You can usually find it through your Microsoft 365 apps in the browser. Once you're in, you'll either land on an existing booking page or you might be prompted to create one. If this is your first time, follow the short setup prompts like adding your business or department name and time zone. Make sure the time zone is correct because this will control when people can book with you. Now, we're going to create a meeting type. A meeting type is essentially a service or appointment option that people can choose. Think of it as a template for a specific kind of meeting, like a consultation, check-in, or training session. In the bookings interface, look for the section labeled services or meeting types and choose the option to add a new one. Give your meeting type a clear descriptive name so visitors instantly understand what the appointment is for. You can also add a short description that explains what will happen during the meeting, any preparation required, or who this appointment is intended for. Then set the duration, for example, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. This controls how long the time slots will be on your calendar. Next, adjust the availability for this meeting type. You can either use your regular business hours or customize the times just for this service. For instance, you might only want to offer this type of meeting on certain days or during a specific time window. Take a moment to review these settings carefully so you don't accidentally open up your entire day. You can also configure buffer time if it's available in your version of Bookings. Buffer time adds a small gap before or after each appointment, giving you time to prepare, take notes, or simply avoid back-to-back meetings. This can make your schedule much more manageable. Once the timing is set, connect the meeting type to the right staff member or calendar. If you are the only person taking these appointments, select just your calendar. If you're part of a team, you can assign multiple people, and Bookings will show times based on their combined availability. Now, review the notifications and reminders. Decide whether you want automatic email confirmations sent to the person booking, and if you'd like reminder emails sent before the meeting starts. These reminders help reduce no-shows and keep everyone on the same page. When you're happy with your meeting type, save your changes. At this point, your appointment option is ready, and all you need to do is share it so people can start booking. To do that, go back to your main booking page. You'll see a public link that you can copy. This is the link you can share with others. You can paste it into emails, add it to your email signature, post it on your website, or send it in chat. When someone opens the link, they'll see your meeting type, pick a date and time that works for them, enter their details, and confirm the booking. The appointment then appears on your calendar automatically. Today, I've shown you how to use Microsoft Bookings for appointment scheduling by creating a meeting type, entering the key details, and sharing your booking link so others can easily set up time with you.